Dear British friends, I've heard you had problems with pronunciation of the name of my town, Ptuj. My town had very different names in the past, from Batavia,
Vivat Poetovia!
Petau, and finally
Ptuj.
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 I think the best way to learn how to pronounce Ptuj is to ask my fellow inhabitants of Ptuj.
It's very easy. It's
Ptuj.
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 Ptuj. Ptuj.
Ptuj.
If you want to see this £1,000,000 view, come to Ptuj.
Welcome.
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 Welcome!
You're always
Welcome!
welcome.
Welcome. Welcome.
Welcome to
Welcome to Ptuj, in any time.